Even though their name includes the word bear, raccoons aren't actually part of the bear family. They're more like distant cousins of weasels. Honestly, I think they're more like dogs. Mischievous, smart, and super clingy. A lot of people keep raccoons as pets. And to be honest, raccoons often seem even more at ease than traditional pets. They're incredibly adaptable and don't scare as easily as cats or dogs. They adjust to new places and situations in no time. Don't be fooled by their goofy looks though. They're wicked smart. With the right training, raccoons can learn all sorts of tricks, even follow commands and use specific tools. It's like watching a little masked handyman at work, funny and adorable at the same time. What's more, raccoons are true omnivores. Basically, if you have it, they'll eat it. There's hardly anything they'll turn down. And here's the quirky part. They have this odd habit of washing their food. But it's not about being clean freaks. Their front paws are covered with a layer of keratin,